Vaheguru, student of 7th standard, today we are going to start chapter number 9 of your subject maths, representation of 3D in 2D. 3D refers to three-dimensional and 2D refers to the two-dimensional figure. Now, what are the 2D figures? That are those figure whose having length and breadth but no have depth, or we are calling about the figures that is derived from the objects in the real world that have common geometric attributes, that is known as 2D figures. Example like circle. This is an example of 2D figure. Similar as a disc, we can take an example of disc as 2D figure. Square, these are also known as 2D figure. Triangle, these all shapes are known as a 2D figure. And if we are talking about three-dimensional are those figures whose having length, height and width. Let us take an example. If we are this is a solid figure. If we are talking about three-dimensional figure, there are these solid figures like cuboid. Cuboid is a solid figure with 6 rectangular faces. Let us draw the shape of cuboid. See, this is a shape of cuboid. Yes, with 6 rectangular faces, length, height, with length, with height and with width. So that is known as the 3D figures. So a cuboid has, as I told you, 6 rectangular faces. Each face is in rectangular region. So edge of the cuboid is the line segment when two adjacent faces meet. Like this is known as an edge. See, I will write here the name of the vertices like A, B, C, D, E, F. Here I will write G and here it is H. So when edge of cuboid means it is a line segment where two adjacent faces should be meet, that is known an edge. Similar example like visible edges like A, B, C, D. This is an edge. A, B. This is an edge AC. Similar way BD. Similar way CD. And if we are talking about vertices, vertices means the point of the intersection of three edges of a cuboid is called vertex. Point of the intersection, like this is A is an one vertex, B as a vertex, similar D as a vertex, similar C as a vertex. These are known as the vertices or corners we are talking about. And now if we are talking about bache hidden edges or hidden vertices, see, if I will point line here, once again I will draw the shape of cuboid. Now what are the hidden vertices? These are known as hidden vertices. See, from D to H, as I write here D, here B, here C, here A. So A, B, C, D is known as A, B, C, D is a vertices that are known as visible vertices, and H is known as hidden vertices. Similar, if I will point a line here from H to join a line here, suppose here F point, so this is known as an hidden edge. So 3D shapes are those shapes whose having solid figure that has length, width and height, like cuboid, cone. These are known as examples of 3D shape, three-dimensional shape. So let us start now. 9.1 exercise. Which of the following is not a 3D figure? See, 3D figure as example, options are given here: cube, square, cuboid, and cylinder. As I told you, square is a figure of 2D. So this is not a 3D figure. So correct answer is square. The next is the number of curved surface in a cone. Curved surface in a cone. If we draw a shape of cone, see, this is a shape of cone. Now see, this is an edge of cone. And what is the face? Curved face. This is a curved face. So how many curved face are here? Only one. So correct answer is 1. So now bache, next question is how many edges and faces? Question number 3rd. How many edges and faces of a cuboidal shape building can be seen when it is observed from the middle of its roof? And also draw the building as it appears from this position. Only show the visible edges. Now how many edges and faces of cuboidal shape building? See, as I told you, cuboid shape building, if we are see from middle of roof, see, this is a shape of building that is represent in the cuboid shape. Yes. So how many number of faces are there? Question number 3rd. How many number of faces? Edges, first of all. AC is an edge. CE is edge. A, here we will write A, B an edge, and B, F an edge. So it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So how many edges are there? 4. And face, see, this is only middle of its roof if we are talking about the shape of building. So this is only one face. So faces are there only 1. And the shape of face is in the form of rectangle. So you can draw the shape of face that is in the form of rectangle. So number of edges are 4, number of faces are 1, and the figure of the visible face is that is in rectangular. Now next is question number 4. How many vertices, edges and faces are visible? How many hidden are given in that figure when dotted line represent as hidden edges? See, this is a figure. This is question number 4th of your assignment 9.1. See, how many vertices, edges and faces are visible? So let us write first one, vertices. What is meant by the vertices? The point of intersection of 3 edges of a cuboid is called as the vertex of the cuboid. Yes. So vertices, first of all we will write the visible vertices, and the next one hidden. Hidden in the question, see, it is written here, the dotted line represent as hidden. So total number of vertices, those who are visible, see, 1, 2, A, B, C, D, E, F and G and H. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So visible vertices are 8 and hidden vertices are, see, only I and J. So hidden are only 2. Next, number of edges, visible and hidden. Visible edge, see, this is an edge A and B. Line segment joins the two vertex B and C, C and H, G and H. So count 1, 2, 3, this is 4, 5, this is 6, E and F 6, this is 7, and this is 8, this is 9, and this is 10. So total number of visible edges are 10, and total number of hidden edges are, see, 1 dotted lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So total number of hidden edges are 5. Next is faces. Total number of visible faces are, those who are visible faces, this is one face visible, second and third. So visible faces are 3, and hidden faces who represented as dotted lines, this is 1, this is second, this is third, and the last one, this is fourth from down. So total number of hidden faces are 4. So next question is question number 5, that is, there are two roads A, B, and C, D, and hollow cylinder represented in the figure. This is a figure given. The dotted lines show, this is a dotted line that shows the hidden portion. So you have to tell how the roads are arranged. See, these A, B, and C, D are roads. These are arranged in which form? Perpendicular form. So first answer is the roads are arranged. You can write roads are arranged in perpendicularly, and second is which one is passing from inside the cylinder. Which one that is passing from inside the cylinder? That is AB line. So AB is passing from inside the cylinder. So here your assignment 9.1 is completed.